As part of the mini-course, we will consider the following main ways to make money on cryptocurrencies: trading, investing, farming and landing, mining and staking, participation in ICO, testnets and ambassador programs, earnings on NFT, earnings on crypto games. Earning on cryptocurrency is not just a trend. This is a real opportunity to increase capital or even secure your main source of income. Of course, there are quite a few risks, since cryptocurrencies are a highly volatile asset. But volatility can also be an advantage in both the long and short term. What are the ways and how to make money on cryptocurrency without investments and with investments? Cryptocurrency trading is a type of trading, the essence of which is to earn money by changing the rates of virtual coins. Trader is a participant in the financial market who makes a profit by making speculative transactions with digital currency. Investing is an activity aimed at buying and holding assets in order to make a profit in the long term. The most popular ways to invest in cryptocurrencies are: buy and hold coins, invest in crypto companies, invest in funds. Farming is a type of cryptocurrency investment where you put your coins in a liquidity pool or lend to others. Cryptocurrency lending is a private lending method. The method involves the issuance of loans by some investors to other investors. Mining is the process of extracting cryptocurrency using special equipment. Its essence is to create new structural units to ensure the functioning of cryptocurrency platforms. Staking is a mechanism that rewards users for locking up their coins or tokens for a period of time, thereby ensuring the security of the network and validating transactions. Play-to-earn games are a new class of blockchain games. The player earns tokens listed on the cryptocurrency exchange for completing tasks. Earnings on NFT. There are several ways to earn NFT. Create your NFT. Resell NFTs. Participate in NFT giveaways. NFT games. Testnets are the testing of a new crypto project with or without rewards. In the first case, test participants receive a guaranteed prize in the form of NFTs, tokens, or a guaranteed allocation to the ICO, and in the second case, users participate in the testnet and do not know what reward awaits them at the end and whether it will be at all. ICO is an initial offer of a certain amount of a new cryptocurrency in order to attract investments. Participation in promising ICOs allows funds and private investors to make huge profits on the difference between their purchase price and the retail price of coins, as well as on the growth of the exchange rate. However, 98% of projects do not survive even a couple of years, so the risks are also huge. Want to know more? As part of our Easy Crypto Start course, we cover the presented methods in more detail and show additional ones. Link in description. Thank you for viewing our course. We hope we have opened the door to the world of cryptocurrencies for you. Subscribe to our bot and keep in touch.